Now we're going to do some Foley sound. I've been teaching the kids about Foley and how fascinating it is, and how when they watch films and TV shows, big budget ones, the sounds that they're hearing aren't really there when they're being filmed. There are experts who spend their days recording sounds to put in. You can watch a few videos on YouTube and they're fascinating things, and the kids were fascinated by it. So we're going to do some Foley for our little poem film here. That will start with watching it on silent and really dig deep on what sounds we should be hearing. So to begin with,
I can hear birds.
Waking up in the morning, yeah, definitely some birdsness there. Shower, okay.
Shower turning on.
First we need
Or you might
those
hear him,
hitting
his hands hitting
Yeah.
the wall or the tube. Oh. It's a bit like